Let's get right to it today with trader Tim Biggam of Buy Alerts. This week, oil prices started spiking as well as the VIX as tensions between Israel and Iran escalate. That's not all that's happening. Tim, what would be your top three keys to trading this market?
Yeah, I think you have to almost move that geopolitical macro news to number one here. Certainly, the strike that has started in the ports, I think, will have the biggest effect, at least for the intermediate term. How long lasting that is will be a big thing for companies going forward. Inflation should certainly rear if it continues on for any extended period. Then what's coming out of the Middle East with, potential drumbeats of war going. We're seeing oil back above 70, another negative, certainly for consumers. Spending going forward and inflationary as well. And then finally, really valuations, which have kind of taken a, back, kind of a door step here for stocks. But valuations are not cheap. We're looking at 3 times price to sales on the S&P 500, basically at the highest ever. Last time it hit these similar levels was several years back, right before that big 22% pullback in stocks. So I think stocks may be in for tough sledding going forward, and we're seeing the VIX reflect that. As last I looked, it was hovering just under that 20 level.
How about your trade of the day?
Yeah, looking at kind of an under-the-radar stock until recently, IonQ, which is in the quantum space, kind of AI related here, just got a big Air Force contract. More importantly, I've seen just big repeat out of the money call buying here. IV has jumped off the charts here. So I'm following along with those big call buyers as I normally do, buying the shares right in the mid-8 level, selling these out of the money $10 calls, which are very pricey to hedge. So looking for the stock to perhaps continue higher based on the good news out of the government, but more importantly, capturing some very rich option premium and getting some nice hedge to the downside.
It is one to watch. We thank you, Tim.
You bet. Anytime, man. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.